Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You all will remember that back in the days, our parents and grandparents fed us plain pap as a staple food. Sometimes this pap comes with milk if we are lucky, and sometimes without milk. It was a simple, comforting routine that we all grew up with. Now, some of the pap that our parents fed us are usually single grain pap such as yellow corn pap, white corn pap, millet pap or guinea corn pap. And I remember how almost every mom would carry a flask of pap wherever they went. It was just like a staple food in every household. But let's be honest, plain pap didn't exactly provide all the nutritional boosts we needed. That's why we are upgrading this old favorite with a modern twist. In this video, I'll show you how to make a delicious and nutritious egg pap in two unique ways that is specifically designed to support very rapid weight gain in babies. Now, if your child is chubby, please avoid this recipe because this recipe is meant to make your babies very chubby within a period of 7 to 14 days. Yeah, 7 to 14 days, you begin to see significant changes. So if you don't want your baby to be chubby, please avoid this recipe. But if you want your baby to be very chubby or rubber or to be very plumpy, then this pap recipe is for you. It is tested and trusted with reviews coming in from every angle. Now, with the added boost of protein, healthy fats and calories, this recipe is a game changer for your little one who need a nutritional lift. So if this is what you love, let's get started. For the ingredients, obviously you need an egg. You'll be using the egg as a protein-rich base for your pap. You'll also be needing milk or baby formula. Here I use 3 spoons of baby formula. You'll be needing chubby butter from Makkie Foods, your Ogbonge game changer for weight gain. And then you'll be needing banana and nut milk pap from Makkie Foods. This pap is designed specifically for weight gain and is very perfect for babies from 4 months. Then the last but not the least, you'll be needing Makkie Food Dates Powder, a natural sweetener that is perfect for adding a touch of sweetness to your baby's pap without using refined sugars. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's start preparing our nutritious egg pap. First, break the egg into a clean bowl and whisk thoroughly until the whites and yolks are fully incorporated. Whisk until there are no visible egg whites or yolks and the mixture is smooth and creamy. This should take about 30 seconds to 1 minute of whisking. Now in a clean bowl, add about a quarter cup of water. Then pour the whisk egg mixture into the water and mix well. Ensure to mix very well until the egg mixture has thoroughly mixed with the water. This is weight gain banana and nut milk pap from Makkie Foods, and you will need to scoop in about 3 tablespoons of this pap into the egg mixture. This pap is very delicious and nutritious and will provide your baby with essential vitamins and minerals necessary for them to thrive. Make sure to mix everything together until you get a smooth and creamy consistency. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little more water, and if it is too thin, you can add a little more pap. The goal is to get a pap mixture that is neither too thick nor too thin. It should just be perfect in between. Now, aside the banana and nut milk pap, you can also use the other pap variants such as the rich pap, fruity pap, strawberry pap, or any other pap variant you can get from the vendor. I'll be dropping the link through which you can make this purchase in the description box and in the comment section. You will want to pour clean water into a kettle or a pot depending on the one you are using and bring to a boil until it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Then simply pour the hot water into the pap mixture in a circular motion, using one hand to pour in the water and the other hand to stir the pap. This is crucial to prevent the mixture from forming lumps, especially since you're working with eggs. I added a little bit of water to the already made pap to thin it out a little because I do not want the pap to come out looking so thick like that of an adult. Now pour the pap mixture into a pot and cook over medium heat for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. This crucial step ensures that the pap is cooked to perfection, especially with the added egg. Whenever you are using raw egg in pap preparation, always ensure to heat the pap over low to medium heat until the egg is fully cooked. This will help to kill any harmful bacteria that may be present in the egg, creating a safe and healthy meal for your little one. And we are almost there. Our pap is popping already. Our egg pap is giving us that vibe that it is supposed to give us. Can you see that lushness? Can you see the creaminess of the pap? This egg pap, your child will become a rubber by first. So next is to go in with 2 tablespoons of chubby butter from Makkie Foods, your ogbonge weight gainer. This chubby butter, if you haven't tried it for your baby, it is high time you tried this product. It is super good. The product is 100% and more. In fact, the hype that I am giving the product is even not enough for it. It is so good, and it will help your baby to gain weight very fast. Now I added just 2 tablespoons of this and I stirred on a medium heat, and the next is to go in with Makkie food date powder, your number one replacement for all refined sugars. You can see how smooth this powder is, very smooth to the touch. Now 1 tablespoon is enough because you do not really need it to be extremely so sweet, so 1 tablespoon is very fine. To all my wonderful viewers, thanks for tuning in. If you are loving this recipe, please be sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated on new content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far, and please click that subscribe button to join our crew. Share this recipe with your family and friends, and especially with new moms who need some easy and delicious meal ideas. And if you're a parent looking for healthy ways to help your little one gain weight, this recipe is for you. More tasty recipes are coming your way and you won't want to miss them at all. So now let's finish up with this delicious pap. I went in with 3 tablespoons of baby formula in its powdered form. This is because I love adding my baby formula in powdered form. Most times I love the the vibe it gives to the pap. So I added 3 tablespoons of this pap and I gave it a quick stir. Warning, please, if you do not want your baby to gain weight, do not administer this pap. But if you want your child to be very chubby, then give them this pap at least 3 to 4 times in a week. This egg pap is so good, your baby might just be dancing taking it. And that's it, your egg pap is ready. Simply dish into a plate and feed your babies. This pap is so good. Don't be surprised your babies will be singing yummy in my tummy. Yummy because this food is so yummy. And you know the best part? The egg in the pap is very sneaky. They will never know there is an egg in there, but they'll be getting a brain boosting and muscle building superfood. So I hope you try out this meal for your baby, especially if you want them to gain weight. If you're an adult and you also want to add some pound of flesh, please do well to try out this recipe. It will definitely help you. Yeah, so that's it for this particular recipe. Let's dive right into the next one. Like I told you initially, there are 2 methods of preparing this egg pap. So let's get started on the next recipe. In this method, we are using weight gain pap powder from Makkie Foods to give our egg pap an extra nutritional boost. You also need chubby butter from Makkie Foods. Unlike our first recipe where we used raw egg, this time around we are switching it up with hard-boiled egg. And you will also need baby formula or breast milk, cow milk or any age appropriate milk. Next is to scoop 4 tablespoons of Makkie's weight gain pap meal into a bowl. Add small amount of water into the bowl and mix thoroughly until you get a smooth and creamy paste. You will want to pour a clean water into a jug and bring to a boil. Once the water has boiled, carefully pour the hot water into the pap mixture, stirring constantly as you pour in the water. Keep going until the pap has thickened to your liking. You will know it is ready when it is smooth and creamy. And let's be real guys, at one point or another, making pap has really humbled some of us. Yeah, we've all been there. It is either we make lumpy pap, a pap that is too thick or too watery. In fact, that watery part is very frustrating. You wouldn't know if you're to drink it or you are to discard it. You know, making pap is a journey, but don't worry, with this recipe and all of my pap recipe, you'll be a pap pro in no time. Some people prefer to cook their pap instead of using just boiled water. They say it makes all the difference in texture and taste, while others prefer the simplicity of using just boiled water. And you know what? Both methods are okay. As long as you're getting a lump-free pap that your baby loves, that is all that matters. So go ahead and choose your own adventure, okay? Cook it up or keep it simple with boiled water. Just come out with a smooth and creamy pap. You want to add Makkie Foods chubby butter into the pap, and you're going to use just 1 tablespoon of the chubby butter. This is because the pap we are using, that's the weight gain pap, is highly loaded and doesn't really need much to go in anymore. But if you're using other pap variants or your homemade pap, please do well to go in with 2 or more spoons of the chubby butter. Take that hard-boiled egg and crack it open. Peel off the shell and chop the egg into small pieces. Now add those egg pieces to your blender. Now here is where our recipe takes a twist. Unlike the other recipe which uses a raw egg, we are using a boiled egg in this one. Pour in 3 tablespoons of your preferred milk. It could be baby formula, full cream milk powder. You can also use evaporated milk, breast milk or any age appropriate milk that works for your little one. Add half cup of water to the blender along with the chopped egg, then blend on high speed until the egg is fully smooth. Pour the blended egg and milk mixture into the pap and give it a good stir. Now that you have seen both recipes, it is time to decide. So the trick is, if you don't have a blender or you prefer not to blend, the raw egg method is the way to go. But if you have a blender and you want a smoother cooked egg experience, this boiled method is very perfect. Mission accomplished, our delicious weight gain egg pap is finally ready. This egg pap is packed with protein, vitamins and minerals to support healthy weight gain and development. So pat yourself in the back, dear parents, because you're giving your baby the best start in life, and that is something to be proud of. So let's hear from you in the comments. Which method will you try for your baby? Which method do you prefer, raw egg or boiled egg? Which one do you think is faster and which one do you think your baby will love more? Do you have a different method that works for you? Kindly share it with us in the comments. Thanks for watching, mamas. If you found this recipe helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with other moms who might need a nutritious and weight gaining solution for their little ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos and tips. Hit that notification bell to stay updated. And until we meet again, have a wonderful day and happy cooking. Bye.